Imagine being brutally whipped just for losing control of your body. It sounds terrifying, but in the paranoid halls of ancient royal courts, a single sneeze could destroy your life. Under absolute imperial rule, any sudden noise near the monarch was condemned as a deadly insult or an assassination threat. One day, a loyal servant felt a sudden tickle in his nose during a silent royal banquet. He desperately tried to hold it back, but a loud sneeze escaped. Instantly, furious guards seized him, and the king ordered 50 brutal lashes. Tyranny punishes nature when it demands total control. True power shouldn't fear human fragility. Would you hold it? Like and subscribe.